Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am back with another day 5 of May Leetcoding challenge. Today's problem is online stock plan. So I am going to explain you the question and then move on to the solution. So first, let us read the question first. So write a class stock spanner which collects daily price quotes for some stocks and return the span of the stock's price for the current day. The span of the stock's price today is defined as the maximum number of consecutive days starting from the today and going backwards for which the price of the stock was less than or equal to the stock price. Okay, so for example, if the price of the stock over the next 7 days were, so basically we are given this set of inputs 100, 80, 60, 70, 60, 75, 85. Now we have to print the span. So how the spans are coming, we have to check input element and check with the previous element if it is less than or equal to that price, would basically return uh, 1 plus if it is greater from how many elements, that plus number of elements. So 100, so previous nothing, so for itself return 1. 80, 80 is less than 100, so for that itself 1. 60 also less than 180, return 1. Now 70, 70 is greater than 60, so for 60 it will be, here will be 1 plus for itself 1, so 1 plus 1 2. 60 again is 1. 75 is greater than 60, 70 and 60, so 1 plus 1 plus 1, and for itself 1 is only 4. And for 85 it would be 85 is greater than 1, 75, 60, 70, 60, 80, so 1 2 3 4 5 plus 1, it's a 6. So this is basically the output in the case. So name a data structure that could solve it in best case. Yeah, it would be stack, it can be array list, it can be linked list, any you can use. So I'm basically using stack. So the approach of the problem is to push this element in the stack and then check with the peak element, check the peak element, if it is greater than or equal to the previous element, then plus 1 plus itself, otherwise only one, that is for itself. So basically this is a problem. So let us go through this problem, solve it. So basically in the main class we will declare our data structure. For two stack we have to declare one for the span, one for the price. In this public int next, here basically would be calculation take place, and here will be the renaming of the variables. So let us first declare the stack basically of integers, obviously. Prices we are naming it, then stack then of integer, this one's for the span. Okay, so naming of the data structure is done. Now we have to assign it with the variable. For price is equal to new stack, and then for the span again also, let's copy down this, change it to span. Okay, so naming of the variables is also done. Now comes the basic checking portion. We have to check the stack.peak with the previous element and then return the result or the sum, whatever it says. So while if not prices is empty, if it is empty, then we have to do nothing, and prices, what to do now, peak, yeah, peak less than equal to price. Now checking with the previous element. Basically now what have to do, we have to just pop out of the stack, prices that pop, done. And now I have to add it with itself basically. So okay, so basically we are putting the variable here, int sum equal to 1. We are initializing it with 1 because for itself it will always be 1. So sum equal to sum plus the spend.pop. Yeah, so this was basically, so after checking one element, what we have to again do, we have to push again the new element and check with the previous element. So for that again I have to prices dot push in the stack price, then span also span dot push sum, and now return the sum. Okay, so this was pretty cool solution. So let us check by running the code. Okay, runtime 0 ms, best case, let us submit. Awesome. So yeah, this was basically today's problem one. Basically it was a stack problem. Basically we have to push the stack, then check with the pick element with the previous one. If it is less than equal to that price, then return the sum of its previous element plus itself, and then again you have to push and span. So this operation will continue until the end of the array. Yeah, this was pretty cool problem. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment. I will be rather happy to help you out. So stay tuned in my channel, subscribe to my channel, and until tomorrow, see you then. Bye bye.